guys, what's up? Welcome back to Vlogmas day 24. Listen, tomorrow is Christmas Day. And for one thing, I don't have everything all figured out in terms of finishing the house cleaning. I'm at like about 75%. I have the veranda to finish, and the washroom is a whole mess, but I don't believe the washroom is going to be at its peak of finishing up for the official Christmas Day. Nobody not going to my washroom, so, and the weather I'm located is very bad, so I don't know that go. Washing not going on right now. Jamaica Limit don't have a dryer. I have to dry the clothes in my line. Okay. For today though, I bought some final pieces. Well, me, anything next to us, never final. Never final. But I bought some pieces for the house yesterday. Gun market there in Oakland. Effie, of course. Effie had some nice things, and the Christmas shopping, Christmas gift shopping was completed yesterday. 95%. There was one thing I didn't get. And I'm figuring out if I should run back to Ocho's today, because I'm wondering if Ocho is open up on a Sunday today, because today is officially the 24th, which you know the 24th would be Grand Market Day, not June, official. So I'm wondering if Ocho is open today. I don't know, but I have the veranda to finish, to add my pieces, the same colors in the house, black and white mostly. That's what it's going to be used in the veranda, and I have my pieces to add to outside, like the garden lights, like I have the garden lights that I bought from a while now, and I haven't got a chance to really put them up outside. And the pots that I was telling you guys about that I got in Rapid, I'm gonna get a chance to add dirt to them, put them up, and them add plants. And then tomorrow Christmas, so we got wrapping papers for Christmas gifts, and give them the Rapid. It's a lot of stuff to wrap, to be honest, between me and my husband. More gift paper, and just to start out, finish up everything. But it's quite a lot to do, and as me say, finish up and whatever. But I want to show you guys what I got in SE. I'm going to show you the installation of them in this vlog and all of that. And to the end of this vlog, more to do some nice big up. If it's not in this vlog, then it'll be another vlog bigging up all my subscribers them. But I want to do a video big up all the subscribers that showed up throughout the Vlogmas season. Oh my god, I'm so grateful for some of them. I can't call it right off on the top of my head right now, but it's like I feel like I just want to do something special for you, like officially just for you guys. Just don't want randomly feature you, but you know myself, and I'm so grateful. Anyways, I'm showing you getting an SES today. Now let's talk about these. Oh my god, you know them over TV or in a dining area type of vibe. Look at this one that says, oops, together we have it all. And this one says, this is us, our life, our story, our home. Alright, these are so nice. I got them at Essie. I got them at Essie yesterday. The store up a pineapple. Oh, that's a Essie's. It has an S on it. Yesterday I realized. Essie's up at the store there. Love it. So I'm thinking about putting this one over the television over there, and this one in somewhere in the dining room. Yeah. But let me say something to you now. Now let me say this to you now. Essie is a nice store to shop, but this lady who cashiers in Essie, she's so annoying. Her behavior is so rude, and like yesterday at a point she really want me to really question, like, why the hell am I spending my money at this place, or why the hell I'm trying to always be in a place where this lady is in. Like, our vibe is so off, our attitude is so bad, and the thing that she said with her mouth, not perfect, but like me as a customer cashing, when I go to Essie, I spend a lot of money. I'm not the only person that spend a lot of money when I go there, but when I go there, I spend a lot of money, and I'm a very straightforward person. Perfect example. I wanted to get cologne, perfume for Christmas for whoever will receive it. And I'm like, there's no way you can be selling perfume and you don't have a tester. You can't go, I buy one cologne and expect people not want to smell it unless the person know exactly what they're buying. For me, who is just trying to enter the world of getting perfume, cologne, all them stuff there, me not randomly buy something. I need to smell it before. And the attitude that she gave me, and I go, look here. However, me and I'm not tell Africa. But when you're out with people, especially when you're out with those man, you have to watch your attitude, watch your mood, and if you're not selling you sell less and put you like a nice. Not true? Yeah. But that lady, her attitude is very bad, and I hate the fact that every time I go there, not me alone, just other people, I watch her, I'm an observer, and her attitude is very stink, and people really come to us. I don't know if because I feel like a lot of people shop at Essie, or Essie have the good stuff, then them have the good stuff, them the free promotion all the time, them have the good stuff, them, but her attitude is really stink, and she will run genuine customers. Can I take a lot of things like them, they're very serious. If people are spending their money, I mean, you should be nice. Try, all if you're nice, kiss ass, because without the money, the store can't go on. I believe that, and not true. Guys, Babe had to change the oops, they came on the side, so he is installing them to the middle. He did that one over there already. So are you ready, boo? Oh, let me get that for you. All right, so he's gonna install them right now. Guys, I have this painting that was over the other side. This one, I'm gonna put it over here. I'm moving it back. Now what? The old one? Will I end good? No night, Nabena? Guys, I have the painting that was over there. Where I hang the other wording thing. We'll go and fix the other word. And what is that? What hang it here? What hang it over here to the side here? Come on, see? I'm put over this side. That it want this one come down a little bit more. Like me like where they but the hanging lighter ID. So yeah. Alright, so I really want to finish everything I have to do today, because tomorrow is Christmas Day and I don't think I should be doing any extra work tomorrow than dinner preparation, than just starting out dinner with Babe tomorrow. I'm figuring both of us are gonna cook tomorrow. So he just put up the frames and stuff for it. They look a piece of them. Not right, I'm indecisive of where I really want to put one of them. I don't know, but that's that. I am going to finish everything. Finish tied up the kitchen clean. I said just one few knicks knack between that, the rugs, the mats, whatever. Burn down outside, neat and clean inside. For the most part, two very important things that I really want to get me to get: bed skirt. Came across my mind last time, but I forgot. I was browsing through a store up, I think I still remember. Yeah, and they have black and white blanket, for blanket, but I don't want black and white. I need full black. Like that's what I feel like would that look better. Full black. I'm not black and white. So I'll take a lot of mine business. Not to work on everything. But finish up my banana. And so I can fit today because I never really want to do it for too long either. And the banana have a little black something for me to squeeze up. And I like when fruit squeeze up and overripe or ugly or nothing like that. Weird, but that's how you go. Yeah. Alright guys, so and then tonight Christmas gift wrapping. Me have one more thing to do. Me soon come back.
Next to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Home cheese, peach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We don't want you over. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Guys, I got these nice cups in SC yesterday. They're so cute, and I think they're like seasonal, as well as I think they are styles like that will always be rocking. So I'm gonna have to like have them and like put them away. It's so cute. They're $350 for one, $700 for the pair. So nice. So I'm going to wash these and put them away to drain, and at the same time I'm gonna be decoration because I put them up to the front. So yeah guys, tomorrow is Christmas. Today is Christmas Eve and babe is baking Christmas cake. Like honestly, as I was just saying just now, I'm wishing this finish already, so I'm gonna eat some right now. But he did everything already. This is like basically the last part. Then the last thing after they need to just add the brownie, not trouble. Yeah, so yeah, that's about it. I'll let you guys see when it is finished, and I think that will be in the next vlog. That will be definitely in the next vlog because I want to close out this vlog. I want to go wrap my Christmas gifts and let me see, and get something to eat. I'm hungry. I'm just eating some yogurt, but yeah, that's a wrap for yogurt. Cheesecake, this is cheesecake flavor, and that's a wrap. Oh, I want to show you guys the tree. Let me show you guys the tree because I did the final setup of the tree. So this is what the tree is looking like. This is what the tree is looking like. I am pleased what I did. Some of the purple sticks instead of taking them all out, I just push them down way down in the tree. And to be honest with you, in person it looks better. The purple, it does not look too bad for me because in person it's not like a purple that it's so off. It looks not too far, like, so I kept it. I'm fine with it. It's my tree, so yeah. But I like it. I like it. I'm still get fed if it's empty, not sure. So yeah, tomorrow Christmas and after that the tree gone. So we're already at the, but to this section, let me move pushing the chair. But this section around here, oh my god, these flowers, this is life spare. God, I'm asking for your guidance and protection. Next year I'm just gonna do gold and white. Gold and white. Them gold and white flowers here look really nice. But look here, around the Queen Christmas come again, so we're gonna see that soon. Yeah, so I love the gold and the white flowers. I was gonna buy some more, but I'm gonna try get some money. And I still could get a skirt, so I'm gonna make a makeshift skirt. I need to have a piece more right here. I may have the rest of my material if I have piece more and piece more right here. So. But yeah, I love it. I love it. So I'm actually gonna do the presents, wrap the gifts, and I'm gonna turn on the light and show you guys how it's looking. And I want to let you guys know how I'm going to do the rest of videos after day 25 pass. What I'm going to do is I am going to do tours. So I'm going to do the different tours. So I'm going to do the living room and the dining room in one. I was saying to babes, if I do separate, babes, so it's just one space, so do it in one. So we're going to do the living room and the dining room in one, and then I'm going to do the kitchen not taking up a time. Kitchen is very small, so the kitchen not going to take up a lot. So I'm going to do the kitchen, and then I'm going to do the guest bedroom. Am I doing a tour of the guest bedroom? I'm not sure. Probably not. I'm not sure. But I'll do the guest bedroom if anything. I'm gonna see it all the time. But for sure the main bedroom. I might do the main bedroom before I do the guest bedroom. So the main bedroom, and then I'll do the bathroom and the hallway in one. And yeah, that's how the running now go. So after the 25 days of Vlogmas, but in between that I'm gonna get vlogs. So yeah guys, that's what's up. So let me show you how the tree looks when the lights are off. I'm content with this tree now. Honestly, I'm more fulfilled. Being fair, there's something that made it stick out, they never look good. So you see, no, actually, I'm sorry. He said it look better now. It look better without the thing sticking out. You hear ball out what? You hear ball out what? In cake catch color. I'm sure, take your time, man. That's not about this. In cake catch color, and he's adding more brown in. This looks like marble cake, I'm sure. Yeah, so I don't know, babe, I was a big cake. Yeah. Tomorrow you see us, guys. Tomorrow you see us for Christmas Day. But let me show you the tree. Let me show you the tree. I'm plugging the tree and show you. And then that's our for tonight. I'm gonna edit the vlog. I'm gonna get it. And I said I wanted to do the shout out for my absolutely great, amazing, top tier subscribers who went all the way through, especially in the comment section. At the comment section, I'm gonna know from who went all the way through in the comment section for Vlogmas. I'm gonna do a shout out, but I'm gonna do that shout out tomorrow in my Christmas fit. Alright, so I will probably do 2 videos for tomorrow, because I personally want to do a shout out. Personally want to do like a video in the morning, gift exchange, blah blah blah, and yeah, that's about it. So yeah, show the tree, then when I finish the vlog, edit the vlog, go wrap my present them, my hungry bad from man. I'm eating everything from last night. I never eat last night, so like yeah, but three. Guys, this is the tree. The starry one light up. It's a dot though. Not sure. But yeah. This is the tree. I added the rest of material for the skirting and I am so pleased. I am so pleased with how everything is looking. I am very content and I am happy. All right, so yeah, so pleased. And I have my other Christmas stuff over here, so yeah. Okay guys, Christmas Eve, getting ready for Christmas Day tomorrow, and yeah, that's what's up. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on Christmas Day. I can't wait for Christmas Day. Yes, baby? What you said? I can't wait for Christmas Day, and I'll catch you guys in another vlog. Bye.